So today we're going to talk about some foraging ideas, things that you can find in the early spring.
Hi guys.
Today we're looking at leeks. A leek is a vegetable.
My name is Hunter and
That's Hunter, and Hunter's digging out a leek. So
I did like 9 of them.
Yep, you did. So a leek is something that grows throughout the year, but springtime is the best time because normally the flavor and taste is stronger. They usually grow in clusters. You can find them in the real early spring when the snow melts off. It'll be one of the first things to pop up, and usually you can find them at a base of maple trees or clusters like this. One thing about a leek though is once you pull it, it won't grow back. So keep that in mind when you're foraging. Just take what you need so it can grow in bounties. If you only come across a cluster that only has 6 or 7 groups in it, then it'd be wise just to take one and try to find more.
Hey guys, it broke.
Yep. We stumbled upon a very large section of leeks. And it's definitely a bountiful find for us. So one thing to notice when you're finding leeks, here's a group that we found. A leek will have a red base up into the green tips. They ain't that far down the ground, but you should, Hunter, please stop. You should take a knife or some type of tool to help you retrieve them. They're not to be mistaken with, Luke, come back this way, with these. Although these grow just like a leek, you can notice they don't have, Hunter, get your brother. They do not have the red on them, but they grow a lot deeper. If I can get one out. You'll see. Luke, come back. Hey, get back here. They have a bulb on them as well. And they're 1 to 2 leaves when a leek is 2 to 3. You can use these in soups. You can cook with them. They taste like an onion, garlic. Yeah, so that's a leek. They're free. They're in the woods. Go out there and get them.